Suppose if you want to rotate a drawing in Microsoft Visio Professional, you can try this method. I'm going to show you an example. I'm simply dragging one of drag this one and right triangle I'm going to drag like this. And if I want to rotate towards the right, then go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see Control key and R key. So if you press this Control key and R key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this will be rotated towards the right. So you can see that if I press this Control and R, it will rotate like this. So you can try this Control key and R key, press these two keys at the same time for rotation. And suppose if you want to rotate it towards the left direction, then you can try another method, that is you must use the Control key and L key. So press the Control key and L key. If you press these two keys, then you can see that it is rotated towards the left. So these are the common shortcuts that's used for rotating towards the right or left. In more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.